Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Roomy, a compact MPV designed for city-friendly practicality and comfort. With its updated styling, improved performance, and enhanced features, the Roomy aims to be the perfect choice for urban drivers and small families. Let's take a closer look at what this small yet versatile vehicle has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Roomy maintains its signature boxy design but with a modern touch. The front grille has been refined, featuring sleek chrome accents and a sharper headlight design with LED technology for better visibility. The compact proportions, sliding rear doors, and high roofline emphasize practicality, making it easy to maneuver through tight city streets. New alloy wheel designs and a fresh color palette add a more premium appeal, ensuring that the Roomy doesn't just look functional but also stylish. Inside, the Roomy lives up to its name, offering a surprisingly spacious cabin despite its compact footprint. The tall roof and smart interior layout maximize headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard features a minimalist yet modern design, with a new touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The sliding rear seats provide excellent flexibility, allowing users to adjust for extra legroom or more cargo space when needed. Soft-touch materials and improved upholstery options enhance the comfort, making it a pleasant space for daily commutes or long drives. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota Roomy is powered by 1.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a CVT transmission, delivering an efficient yet peppy drive for city use. The engine produces around 98 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride while keeping fuel efficiency at the forefront. The lightweight construction and well-tuned suspension contribute to a comfortable driving experience, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Whether navigating congested streets or cruising on the highway, the Roomy remains stable and effortless to drive. Toyota has always prioritized safety, and the 2025 Roomy is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for better parking assistance. The high-strength body structure enhances crash protection, while features like rear cross-traffic alert and blind spot monitoring ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. What makes the 2025 Toyota Roomy stand out is its exceptional practicality in a compact package. The combination of a spacious and flexible interior, fuel-efficient performance, and advanced safety technology makes it an ideal choice for urban dwellers and small families. The sliding doors, foldable seats, and modern tech features further enhance its appeal, making it one of the most versatile mini MPVs in its segment. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota Roomy is expected to start at around $15,000 to $18,000, depending on the trim level and optional features. This competitive pricing, combined with Toyota's reputation for reliability and resale value, makes it a strong contender in the compact MPV market. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Roomy is a well-rounded package that delivers on practicality, comfort, and efficiency. Its stylish yet functional design, smart interior space, reliable performance, and advanced safety features make it an excellent option for those who need a compact yet spacious vehicle for everyday use. If you're looking for a city-friendly MPV with great value, the Roomy should definitely be on your list. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. See you in the next one on Auto Reviews.